Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove watermark from your videos in CapCut PC. So I just copied and pasted my video here. Go to mask and select the rectangle one. And I'm just going to place it next to the watermark. Go back to basic, select it and drag it to the right side. Go back to the mask section and you're just going to feather that out like so until it's blended. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. You just want to cover up parts of your video with the other parts of your video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.